Hello, this is me Suman welcoming you on my YouTube channel Simply Suman. In this video, as you can see, we are preparing for the uh, Christmas cakes and chocolates. So today we are soaking fruits in liquor so that we can later on prepare plum cakes and chocolates which is of liquor flavor. So for Christmas we have to soak fruits in advance. It's about at least before 2 weeks before the Christmas. So without wasting our time, let's get started. For this we need dry fruits. I'm taking raisins, half cup of mixed berries, half cup of prunes, half cup tutti frutti, half cup dates, and half cup of candied cherry or karonda. You can adjust according to your taste, or you can change the fruits also. You can use dried kiwis, strawberries, and something like this, whatever you want. Right now I have these, so I'm using these things, and I like these for in my plum cakes. So let's get started. So take a big glass bowl. Cherries are already in small size, so we are taking it as it is. So put them in a glass bowl, and all the other fruits we have to chop them in equal pieces so that all the pieces get flavored, infused with flavors of liquor very well. So now I am going to chop candied cherries in small pieces. These are the candied ones. These are sweet, already sweet. If you don't have cherries, you can use candied karonda also. So now we are chopping the prunes in small pieces as we chopped candied cherries. All the pieces should be equal so that all get infused equally. And we have to soak all these fruits for at least 2 weeks. So prepare well in advance before the Christmas arrives. Now candied cherries. Now I am chopping mixed berries. Some berries are smaller in size and some are bigger. So smaller ones I'm going to put them as it is, and bigger ones we have to chop them. You can also adjust the quantity of the fruit. We chopped all the berries in small pieces. So now we are chopping the raisins, or which we call them kishmish also. You can use sultanas or any kind of other berries which you like. So the soaked fruits which we prepare, we can store it up to 2 to 3 years very easily. And in winters you can store this on your counter table in a dry and cool place. And after winters you can store this jar in your refrigerator section very easily for up to maybe 2 to 3 years or 4 years. Now de-seed the dates and chop them in equal pieces. You can easily store these on countertop in winters. So now mix all the berries very well and take a jar, big jar like this, glass jar. Don't take metal ones, otherwise your metals will react with liquor and they're going to spoil your fruits and change the flavor. So we have to take glass jar only. Put all the berries in, fruits in jar, and now it's time to pour the liquor. Take a bigger jar because on absorbing liquor the fruit's going to swells up. So take a bigger one. Now add liquor. You can use any liquor which you like, maybe it a rum or brandy or whiskey. Right now I'm using red wine, which is Sula. So let's prepare for our Christmas, and thanks for sharing. Thanks for